Hello my friends, I hope you are all well. Welcome to day 17. It's day 17 of December and Vlogmas. I've just noticed I have an empty bag here. One of the sheep out there is lying down. Oh, just got up, so I was just a bit worried then for a second. They are eating grass in the chicken area. I'm getting sidetracked. It's empty because it's an eye cream that I made up, and I have it in my bedroom. So I might just put a little bit of a footage of me holding the eye cream because I've only got a short moment here to open the advents. It's actually the evening, and I forgot to take my camera with me today, although I worked, so there wasn't much to show in the day. We did go to ceramics class and I was kind of excited to take the camera along with me, but I completely forgot in the rush of things. Plus the builders that are putting the joinery in just rocked up and finished off everything this morning, so it was kind of a bit of a crazy madhouse this morning, and yeah, no wonder I have just forgotten. But I do have my advents to open up, so let's open up, and I'm hoping to get some knitting time in, although my partner has just gone and picked up the dishwasher. We had to get a new dishwasher because the old one doesn't quite open very well, so we had to get a new one. Here is day 17 of the English tea shop, and it is a super goodness tea. It's with cinnamon, ginger and cardamom. Nice. Yum. And let's open 17 over here. Up here. Winter warmer. So I'm pretty sure there's some double ups in this one, but that's okay. I don't mind at all. So it's got ginger, robust, orange and star anise. Actually, I think that is a different winter warmer from the first one, but that sounds absolutely lovely. So they are my advents today. I'm so looking forward to opening tomorrow's yarn from Pammy. There are only 7 days left of the advents. Sad. Very sad. I don't want to ramble on, but I am going to get my knitting out and hopefully do a little bit of filming in the garden, although the wind is picking up. It is quite crazy out there. Hopefully it dies down. But yeah, I'll just take some little glimpses of what is left of the rest of the day, and hopefully I get some knitting done. I can sit down and do some knitting. I feel like I've been on the go for a long while now, and I'm feeling a bit more rested today, so that is good. I will see you tomorrow, my friends, and I hope to do a lot of filming because we are going to do some Christmas baking, so I'm very excited about that. See you tomorrow. And also we're getting our Christmas tree tomorrow. I know I said in yesterday's video that we were going to get it today, but we just decided that today was too much going on, so we're getting it tomorrow. So I'll see you then.